Hey everyone, welcome to Finance Talk, where we talk about all things finance and investing. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into the basics of personal finance, essential knowledge that everyone should have. So let's get started. Personal finance can seem overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. By understanding a few key concepts, you can take control of your financial future. Let's break it down into manageable steps. First up, budgeting. This is the foundation of personal finance. A budget helps you track your income and expenses, so you know exactly where your money is going. Start by listing all your sources of income and all your monthly expenses. The goal is to ensure you're not spending more than you earn. Next, let's talk about saving. It's crucial to have an emergency fund, money set aside for unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Start small. Even saving a little each month can add up over time. Third, debt management. Not all debt is bad, but high-interest debt like credit card debt can quickly become unmanageable. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first while making minimum payments on the rest. Once your high-interest debts are paid off, you can start tackling other debts. Now, let's discuss investing. Investing helps you grow your wealth over time. Start by understanding different types of investments: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Diversify your investments to spread risk and don't put all your eggs in one basket. Another important aspect is retirement planning. The earlier you start, the better. Take advantage of retirement accounts like 401(k)s or IRAs. These accounts offer tax benefits that can help your money grow faster. Finally, insurance. Insurance is all about protecting what you have. Health insurance, auto insurance, home insurance, and life insurance can all protect you from significant financial loss. Remember, personal finance is a journey, not a destination. Start with small steps and gradually build your financial knowledge and skills. And most importantly, stay consistent and be patient. Over time, you'll see significant improvements in your financial health. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from these tips. Leave a comment below with your personal finance questions, and I'll be sure to address them in future videos. Until next time, take care and stay financially savvy.